I'm Shannon Haddock of the Hoover Library Fiction Department, and we are meeting together on Tuesday night, January 19th at 6 p.m. with Dr. Shuyin Rao who from UAB, and she is going to talk to us about the Chinese New Year, which begins this year on February 12th, 2021. In preparation for that, we're giving out supplies to make your own Chinese lantern, and she will discuss the significance of the lanterns on January 19th. My lantern keeps wanting to fall over, so that's okay. Anyway, these are some examples, and I will show you 2 ways to make the Chinese lanterns with your supplies that you will pick up at the fiction desk. I will give you decorative paper so that you can make a lantern with a core inside that's very pretty. And I will also give you extra paper so that you can make another type of lantern. So first of all, this is an 8.5 by 5.5 sheet, and you get a couple of sheets of red paper. What you want to do is fold this over, leaving about a 1/2 inch here, and you want to cut that 1/2 inch off. And that will be the handle of the lantern. And I have to make a mark on my paper so that I don't cut too far. So about another 1/2 inch, you want to make a light pencil mark, and this is doubled, so on this end here you want to cut 1/2 inch strips up to your line. Alright, so on this decorative piece you want to use a glue stick and put down glue on one edge and the other edge. And what you want to do is take the accordion paper, and you want to leave a little bit of an edge, and you want to glue that there, and you want to bring this here and glue that down. So what you got is a little tent there, and you want to make sure it's glued down well. Now what you want to do is add glue stick here on this overage, and bring it together. You have to use your little fingers in there, and you want to glue this little bit here down. Oops. Paper is very delicate. You can't manhandle it there. Okay. So that is the decorative lantern. And you can put glue on each edge here. And voila. You have a decorative Chinese lantern. There. This one, however, is done the same way but without a center core. So that one, all you have to do is, this time you want to cut it, leave a little bit of a 1/2 inch there. And cut it all the way down and glue it the same way we did the other. Don't forget to get the Zoom instructions for our January 19th Zoom meeting from the hooverlibrary.org website. No, I didn't do that right, did I? Yes, I did. Okay, so you put glue lengthwise and bring it around. There we go. Carefully glue two of the strips together. It's a little cattywampus, but that's okay. And you will also put another strip as your handle. It's good to like bend it a little bit so that it will stay open. That's it. It's very easy. There are all kind of variations you can use, and you will get all kinds of decorative paper and red paper for your lanterns. These are very cute to hang around, and I hope to see some of your lanterns on January 19th. That's it. Thanks.